Okay. Okay. This is one of the topic in English for basic mathematics, which is this topic. We'll discuss about geometry in two ways. The first one is flat geometry, or in bahasa geometri bidang, and then space geometry, or in bahasa geometri ruang. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Okay, what is shape? Okay, shape. What is shape? We have two definition in here, as you can see. The first one is shape is the form of an object, how it is laid out in space. Now, what it is made of or where it is. Jadi shape itu diartikan sebagai bentuk dari sebuah objek, bagaimana letaknya di dalam ruang, ya, bagaimana bentuknya, ya, dan sebagainya. Okay, the second one in geometry, shapes divide into 2D shape and 3D shape. As I mentioned previously, that in geometry we have two shapes. In here, in this material, I use D, but is as an abbreviation. But full is the full of D. I mean, the complete of D is dimension. So in here, in geometry, shapes divide into 2-dimension shape and 3-dimension shape. Jadi dalam geometri itu terbagi atas geometri datar, bidang datar, dan geometri ruang. Okay. Okay, let's continue to. Okay, this is the picture to describe 2-dimension shape and 3-dimension shape, that being part of geometry. So in geometry, we learn about 2-dimension shape and also as well as 3-dimension shape. Okay, let's continue. Okay. Okay. Now we see some terms regarding with 2D shape. Sekarang kita lihat beberapa istilah terkait geometri bidang datar. Okay. Some terms which often appear in 2D shape. First one, point. In bahasa, we call it as titik. The second one is line. In bahasa, we call it as garis. The third one is straight line. In bahasa, we call it as garis lurus. And the last one is angle. Angle. In bahasa, we call it as sudut. Okay. Regarding to angle. Sometimes you hear some people say angel. This one is angle. So how to spell angel? Angle, angel. Well, Nike, angle, angel. Angel, what is angel in bahasa Indonesia?
Malaikat, Pak.
Okay, how to spell it?
A.
A.
Itu
Okay.
sudut, Pak.
Okay, I know, I got it. A, I mean, right now, I assign you to spell angel. So how to spell angel? As you say that angel in bahasa is malaikat. So how to spell it? Angel. A
Angle.
G E or E
LE,
and
Pak.
oh, come on. This one is angle.
Oh ya Pak, ANGEL
Okay,
Pak.
that is I have written here so you can see. Okay. Okay. So I hope all of you can uh, uh, you can memorize these terms. Okay, point garis, line, and so sorry. Point is titik in bahasa, line is garis, straight line is garis lurus, and then angle is sudut. Okay, let's continue. Okay, okay, this is some examples dealing with the previous slide, dealing with those terms that I have introduced to you. So point is using at the end of the sentence. Titik. See, I think this one is I assigned the previous class to make sentence by using those terms. I mean, previous terms. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is the examples of sentences using those terms. Okay, point is using at the end of sentence. Titik digunakan di akhir kalimat. Okay, the second one, the distance from point A to point B is 12 centimeters. Okay, the third one, I will ask, what's your criteria to read the third sentence, please? Okay, silakan dibaca kalimat yang ketiga. 2 points can be connected by using a line. Or I will ask, I will ask any one of you who willing volunteer, yeah, you willing volunteer to read this sentence, the third sentence. Siapa yang bersedia baca kalimat ketiga? Silakan. Oke, silakan. Oke, go on.
The points can be connected by using a line.
By using a line. Dua
Using a
titik.
line.
Oke, good. Again, once again, silakan dibaca sekali lagi.
Saya Pak.
Oke, go on. Silakan dibaca.
A square has 4 sides.
A square has 4 sides. 4 sides. Sebuah persegi memiliki 4 sisi, ya. Oke. Maybe you can contribute, any of you can contribute to make another sentence by using point, line, straight line, and angle. Does anyone willing to be a volunteer? Ada yang bersedia sukarela untuk membuat kalimat? points. Apa yang Anda tahu dari geometri bidang datar untuk koordinat Cartesius? What do you know about Cartesian? What do you know about Cartesian coordinate? A coordinate consists of can we say 2 points? Or yeah, 2 okay. Points can be used in what? In a map to mark places. Titik-titik bisa digunakan pada peta untuk menggambarkan atau menandai tempat-tempat. Ya kan? That is an example.
Yep.
So you can make your own sentence by using any terms. You can use point, straight point, angle, and then line. Okay. Okay, we continue. And then while you're thinking about your sentence, if any of you want to contribute to make his or her own sentence, then you can tell me, then we will back to this slide to write a sentence or more sentences. Okay? Jadi kalau ada yang bisa membuat kalimat, bisa Anda langsung bilang ke saya, kita balik ke slide ini untuk membuat atau menulis kalimat Anda. Okay? Let's continue. Okay. So, is Ibu Yanti, sorry, was Ibu Yanti using or has taught this group activity to all of you, has given this group activity to all of you or not yet? Ibu Yanti udah kasih ini belum buat kalian?
Not yet, Pak.
I'm sorry? Not yet.
Sudah, Pak.
Not
So,
yet.
so this is a group activity. Let's say group activity 1. In this group activity, you will classify angles according to their size. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, the direction is classify types of angle according to its size and sketch those angles. So I think the answer has given to you, as you can see. The first one, then so you need only to memorize the name of angles according to its size. The first one, acute angles. Acute angles. Definition of acute angles is an angle whose measure is greater than 0 and less than 90 degree. So in bahasa we called acute angle as what? Dalam bahasa
Sudut
Indonesia,
lancip, Pak.
sorry,
Sudut lancip, Pak.
sudut lancip. Good. Okay, this one I will mark it here. Oops. Sudut lancip. Okay, the second one, obtuse angles. According to the definition, I think this part I will ask one of you. I will point one of you to read this part. I mean, the definition of obtuse angle. So I will ask maybe Alvarez Pati Taylori. Please, you read the definition of obtuse angle. The answer is already been given in this second column, or yeah, third column and the second line. So second row, sorry, second row. So you can read the definition only. Go on, please.
Yes, sure. Ya Pak, yang di acute angle atau
No, obtuse angles.
Okay.
Okay.
Share. And definition for obtuse angles is an angle whose measure is greater than
90. Okay, 90 degree and less than
greater and less than
180
180
degree.
degree
Okay, good.
for
So,
X
okay, or
dari
we formulate the sentence in mathematically, or you can simply say can be written mathematically as, okay, bisa secara matematis ditulis seperti demikian. X greater than, X is an obtuse angle, X greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. In bahasa we call obtuse angles at what? As what? As what?
Tumpul, Pak.
Sudut tumpul, Pak.
Sudut tumpul. Good.
sudut tumpul Pak.
Okay, good. Sudut tumpul. Trying to find the. Okay, it's outside. Sometimes it's hard to find the mark for this pen. Sudut tumpul. Okay, good. Right angles. I think this one is easy. You can see the form or the shape of this angle. And then I think it's not difficult for you to give the definition in bahasa Indonesia. So, what angle is this one? Segitiga, siku-siku. Okay.
Tiga siku-siku, Pak.
Yeah, good. Yeah. Siku-siku. The last one is straight angles. Straight angles is an angle whose measure is 180 degree. Jadi sudut lurus adalah sudut yang besarnya 180 derajat. Oke. Sudut lurus. Oke. Okay, this is some shapes of two dimension shapes. Ini beberapa bentuk dari bidang datar ya, bangun datar istilahnya gitu. So as you can see, Circle, lingkaran. Oval, what is oval? Ellipse ya? Or what? Triangle. Oke, segitiga. Square, persegi. Trapezium, trapezium ya?
Iya, Pak.
Okay, I will switch this one because as a point, so I only need to point it. Okay. Okay. Square, trapezium, diamond. What is diamond?
Kristal.
Okay. Crystal in bahasa you can.
Belak ketupat.
Okay, tepat. What about rhombus?
Maybe
Rhombus.
layang-layang, Pak.
Oh, come on. Layang-layang. Is this layang-layang? Or bela
Layang,
ketupat?
Pak. Itu belak ketupat, Pak. Rhombus, Pak.
Yes, exactly. Rhombus is bela ketupat. This one is diamond. So, this one is parallelogram.
Jajar genjang.
Exactly.
Jajar genjang. Ya,
The
Pak.
next one,
Jajar genjang, Pak.
rectangle. No, this one.
Persegi panjang, Pak.
Panjang,
Okay.
Pak.
This one, pentagon.
Persegi
Segi
5,
lima.
Pak.
5, Pak.
Segi lima. Hexagon.
Persegi 6, Pak.
Okay. Heptagon.
Persegi 7, Pak.
Okay. What about octagon?
Persegi 8, Pak.
Okay. For those
8, Pak.
who like to watch MMA fights, this is the form of the let's say arena for them to fight. This is the field, the form of the field for battle. MMA, martial arts. Okay. Biasakan kalau kalian nonton petarung MMA kan mereka bertarung di yang namanya oktagon itu kayak gini. Oke, nonagon. Oke, 9. Oke. And then the last one is decagon. 10 ya. Ini kan tinggal kita kayak penta 5, hexa 6, hepta 7, okta 8, nano atau nona 9 dan deka 10. Oke. Okay, this one also group activity 2. In this group activity, you will be assigned to classify the triangles considered to considered to those sides. Yeah. Side and angles. Okay. So yes, that is the directions in here. Classify types of triangle by its side and its angle. So the answer has been provided. As you can see, according to the side, apa? Kita lihat dari sisi-sisinya ya. Sorry. Bentuk sisinya. Oh, equilateral triangle. Okay. Which means this angle has 3 equal sides. Segitiga sama sisi ya. Oke. Segitiga sama sisi. Equilateral triangle. The second one, isosceles triangle. This triangle has 2 equal sides. And the last one is scalene triangles. This triangle has no equal sides. Tidak ada sisi yang sama. Segitiga sembarang ya. Yang terakhir ini ya. Oke. Oke. That is by the sides. So the second one is by angles. Okay. So you can see the first one, acute triangle. Acute triangle. Segitiga. Lancip ya. Ya. The second one is right triangle. Segitiga siku-siku. And then the obtuse triangle. What is obtuse triangle? Segitiga.
Segitiga sembarang.
Oh, no. Tumpul.
Tumpul ya Pak. Tuh.
Oke.
Ya, tumpul, Kak.
Gitu-gitu.
Oke, good. Oke. Let's continue again. Ini udah dikasih Bu Yanti ya? Ibu Yanti has given this part to all of you or not yet? Not yet.
Dikasih homework.
Homework. She gave
Homework.
homework. Okay. So right now we discuss it. So let's say you already find the solution for your homework. Okay, it's okay, no problem. And then after this class, I will share this material to all of you in our Google Classroom. So we already have Google Classroom, right? For this subject. Kita udah punya Google Classroom ya?
Sudah, Pak.
Okay, I will share this material in Google Classroom after this class. Okay, let's continue. Okay, that is, as you can see, examples of the using of those triangles in the previous slide. We make sentence by using those triangles. As you can see, the first sentence, right triangle is a triangle which has one right angle. That is the first sentence. Okay, right triangle is a triangle which has one right angle. So I will check it. I will check. Artinya apa? Irene Sopakua. Artinya apa itu maksudnya? Irene Sopakua. Jawab dulu, Irene. Yang kalimat pertama. Right triangle is a triangle which has one right angle. Irene, jawab dulu.
Ya Pak.
Silakan jawab. Segitiga siku-siku.
Segitiga siku-siku adalah segitiga yang mempunyai salah satu sudut siku-siku, Pak.
Mempunyai satu sudut siku. Good. The second one. Okay, the second one, acute triangle is a triangle which has three angles less than 90 degrees. So, what is the meaning of this sentence in bahasa, or in other words, can you translate the meaning of this sentence in bahasa Indonesia? So you can maybe you can directly translate, or you can use any tool to find the meaning. Anda bisa langsung saja memberikan definisi dalam bahasa Indonesia atau mau pakai translator juga enggak apa-apa. Tapi kalau bagusnya kalian berusaha untuk memahami tanpa menggunakan perangkat translator ya, itu lebih bagus. Okay, can someone provide the answer? Ada yang mau jawab? The second sentence. Acute triangle is a triangle which has three angles less than 90 degrees. So the meaning is?
Sudut lancip adalah
Oh, come on. Not. Don't forget the word triangle. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the meaning is?
Triangle. Speaking English or speaking Indonesian, sure.
You may speak. I mean, the direction that I give to you is translate this sentence to bahasa Indonesia. So if you provide the answer in English, which means you read this sentence again to all of us. So, and then you can say the meaning of this sentence to all of us in Bahasa Indonesia. So, if you want to read, good, and then translate it.
Saya, Pak.
Okay, go on.
Segitiga lancip adalah sebuah segitiga yang ketiga sudutnya kurang dari 90 derajat.
Good. Okay, bagus. And can someone read the sentence again to all of us? Read in English for sure. Well, is there?
Saya, Pak.
Okay, go on. Silakan.
Acute triangle is a triangle which has triangles less than 90 degrees.
Degree. Itu makanya saya meminta Anda untuk baca supaya ketika ada pronunciation yang keliru kita betulkan sama-sama. Belajar ini jangan malu untuk berbuat salah, ya. Oke? Oke, kalau salah tidak apa-apa, kan ini bahasanya orang, bukan bahasanya kita. Kecuali Anda salah di bahasa Indonesia, itu baru tidak gimana ya, kita orang Indonesia, harusnya bahasa kita kuasai, itu aja, ya. Oke. I will read again, and then I hope all of you pay attention, so you can hear the proper pronunciation for each word. Okay, the cube triangle is a triangle which has three angles less than 90 degrees. Okay, am I clear? Jelas ya? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for the third sentence, isosceles triangle and blah blah blah. Please go on. Does anyone willing to read this sentence? Ada yang bersedia baca kalimat ini?
Saya, Pak.
Oke, silakan.
Scalene triangle is a
No, this one. The third
sorry.
sentence. Okay.
Isosceles triangle is a triangle which has two equal sides.
Sides. Good. Almost perfect. Bagus. Sudah bagus ya. Isosceles. Maybe I will try, and if you want to practice your pronunciation, I will. Each of you have a smartphone. Each of you has a smartphone, so for sure, I am very sure that you have Google Translator, so you can practice your pronunciation by using Google Translator, because there is a feature that provides how to pronounce the better word. I mean, how to practice your pronunciation and then how to pronounce well. Okay, let's see for the word isosceles. Okay, I will translate, and then I hope all of you can hear, despite through this Zoom meeting, but hopefully you can hear also in your place. Okay. Okay, let's hear about the pronunciation for this word.
Isosceles.
Isosceles. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Bisa dengar ya?
Sure.
Ya.
Bisa, Pak.
Isosceles.
Isosceles. Okay. About the last one. Scalene.
Scalene.
S-C-A-L-E-N-E, right? Okay. Let's hear about its pronunciation. Scaling. Can you hear it? Scaling.
Scalene.
Okay, good. Okay, so that is why I ask each of you, some of you, I will point randomly to read sentence in order to improve your pronunciation. Itu sebabnya saya meminta setiap Anda untuk baca supaya kita bisa perbaiki pelafalannya kalau ada yang keliru. Oke? Good. Okay, the last one. Well, can someone read it to all of us? The last sentence, I mean. Spline triangle. Oh no, we still have obtuse. Okay, go on.
Saya, Pak.
Okay, read it please.
Scalene triangle is
Okay, go on.
Scalene triangle is a triangle which has no equal sides.
Okay.
Well,
I heard someone also want to read the sentence. You can read the same sentence, please. Saya dengar tadi ada yang mau baca juga, silakan. Silakan.
Saya, Pak.
Okay, go on. Scalene triangle, blah blah blah. Okay.
Scalene triangle is a triangle which has no equal sides.
Which has no equal sides. Good, bagus. Scalene triangle is a triangle which has no equal sides. Good. The last one. Obtuse.
I'm here, sir.
Okay. Read it, please.
Obtuse
triangle.
Obtuse triangle is a triangle which has one angle more than 90 degrees.
Obtuse triangle is a triangle which has one angle more than 90 degrees. So let's hear. Sometimes I think I have to provide correct pronunciation for the word angle. Let's hear. Angle, I'm saying. What I'm saying. Okay. Yeah. Angle. Bisa dengar ya?
Bisa, Pak.
Okay, good. Let's continue. Kita lanjut. Okay, now we move to three-dimension shapes. Sekarang kita lanjut dengan geometri bidang ya. Geometri ruang, maaf, geometri ruang. Three-dimension shapes, okay? And you can see on the screen there are two pictures, and these pictures provide a cube, and then this picture also provide the information about some parts of this object, I mean this cube, in order to help us to distinguish and understanding about the part of three-dimension shapes. Wait a second. Okay. Okay, vertex, vertex. What is the meaning of vertex? Titik sudut ya.
Titik sudut.
Yes, sure.
Edge. This part is edge.
Rusuk.
Rusuk, edge. In 2D shape, we call it as side. Ya. Kalau di bidang 2, geometri datar ya, bidang datar kita gunakan istilah side, sisi. Tapi kalau bidang datar, bidang untuk ruang ya, we use edge. Okay. And then this part, I mean the yellow mark, we mark the side using yellow, and it's all using yellow. And for these parts, I mean, yeah, this part, we call it as face. Call it as face. Okay. The second picture is the repetition of the first one. As you can see, edge, which means you can see this part also. And then vertex. Okay, vertex. And faces, face. It is plural, singular, tunggal ya. When we mention for plural parts, ketika kita mengatakan atau menjelaskan atau menyebutkan yang jamak, maka jadinya kalau ini vertices, ya, edges, faces. Okay, you can see the difference. Okay, in the following slides. So vertex, please memorize these terms. Vertex, titik sudut, edge, rusuk, face, sisi. Okay. Now we continue to next slide. Okay, you can see. Okay, more explanation. The previous one is about if in case of singular. So the second one, if we talk about plural, ya, jamak, maybe dari satu, ya. Okay. If we say two vertex, or you can simply say vertices. Vertices means some vertex. Jadi vertices itu jamak, kata jamak untuk titik sudut, lebih dari satu titik sudut. Okay? Okay, you can see the explanation in this picture. A vertex, which means only one vertex, a vertex. And if it's more than one, and then we call it vertices. Okay, maybe we have to provide the pronunciation also for this word. Okay. Vertices. Okay. Vertices. Okay. Okay, and then edges. Let's make sure if pronunciation is correct or incorrect. Okay. Okay, edges. And the last one is faces, I think. Jadi kalau lebih dari satu rusuk, maka kita bilang edges, ya. Kalau lebih dari satu bidang, maka kita bilang
partition.
faces, faces, ya. Ya, oke, faces. Oke. Vertex. Okay, vertex. A vertex, which means only one. If it's more than one, and then vertices. Vertices, vertices. These two vertex, we call it as vertices. This one is edge, which is only one. If more than one, we call it as edges. As you can see, this one is edge, an edge, an edge, two edges, three edges. We call it as edges. Okay. And also, this one is face. This part also face. Face, and if we combine or we unite all these three faces, you have to call it as faces, which means more than one face. Faces. Okay. Paham ya? Okay. Let's continue to next slide. Okay, that is, as you can see, these slides provide some 3D shapes. Jadi di bagian ini, di slide ini, diberikan beberapa bentuk bangun ruang yang Anda juga harus tahu istilahnya dalam bahasa Inggris. There are some 3D shapes, and you have to memorize the name of the shape as well. Okay? Let's see for sphere, bola ya, sphere, cube, kubus, cylinder, tabung, pyramid, prisma ya, segi empat, cone, rucut.
Yeah.
Okay, let's try to hear the pronunciation for these terms. Kita coba dengar lafal untuk istilah-istilah ini ya. Let's hear. Sphere. Atmosphere. Ya. Sphere. Yes. And then cube. Cube. Exactly. Third one, now in here, now you will hear about this pronunciation for this part, for this word. CY, INDER. Cylinder. Okay, cylinder. Okay, PYRAMID. Pyramid. Okay. Now the last one I pronounce is cone. But let's make sure it's Google Translator. Cone. Exactly. Cone. Okay. Hafal ya? Okay. Sphere, cube, Cuboid. Ya, kalau balok itu cuboid ya.
Iya, Pak.
Cube, kubus ya. Cuboid ya balok. Cylinder, tabung, hexagonal prism. Prisma segi 6. Ya, hexagonal prism. Cone, kerucut. Square based pyramid. 5 segi 4 ya. Square based pyramid. And then tetrahedron. Triangle based pyramid. 5 segitiga ya. Yeah. And then triangular prism. Prisma segitiga. Okay. That is the explanation for some extended shapes in 3-dimension shapes. Okay. Okay, then this one is only addition. Okay, sometimes Anda dengar ya, Anda istilahnya belahan bumi, Western Hemisphere. Belahan bumi sebelah barat. Ini Western Hemisphere. And then Eastern Hemisphere. Belahan bumi sebelah timur. Nah, and I also know for sure that you also have heard about the term atmosphere. Atmosphere. Ya. So, atmosphere. Ya. Itu apa? What is it? What is atmosphere? Hah? Apa itu? Atmosphere itu apa? Jawab, siapa jawab? Gampang itu. Atmosphere itu apa? Just use bahasa. It's okay. Lapisan
Lapisan, Pak.
udara yang
Lapisan.
ya lapisan apa?
Lapisan udara pada bumi, Pak.
Yang menutupi bumi, menyelimuti bumi.
Dan gas.
Exactly. You can find the meaning in Google if you're not sure about your opinion regarding to the meaning of atmosphere. Okay, let's continue. Saya rasa Bang, kita lanjut. I record this meeting, so after this you can watch on YouTube channel. I will share the link for the recording, and you can watch this class, this evening class. Okay, I think this is thing you can learn by yourself. Bisa belajar sendiri ya. Okay. And then you need to complete, you need to fill this table. Anda harus mengisi tabel ini ya. Okay, that for the group activity 3. Sudah di ini belum?
Sudah, Pak.
Sudah.
Sudah, Pak.
Sudah. Oke. Sudah diberikan Ibianti ya. So
Iya,
saya
Pak.
hanya memberi penguatan ya. Okay, now I think this one also, I think group activity 4, find the name of things in your daily life which resemble to 3D shapes in the preceding table. Cari nama-nama dari benda dalam keseharian Anda yang menyerupai bentuk bentuk ruang ya dalam yang ada pada tabel di slide sebelumnya ya. Oke. I think it is about shape. I will continue with measurement. Saya lanjut dengan pengukuran ya, measurement ya.
Ya, Pak.
Oke.
Ya.
Oh, wait. I will keep one and then we continue with Oke. Yang sekarang terlihat apa? What is
Pak.
measurement ya?
Ya, Pak.
Oke.
Measurement.
Oke. Oke, slide. Oke. Jadi di topik measurement ini Anda akan diperkenalkan dengan istilah-istilah terkait ya pengukuran ya, itu juga masih terkait dengan geometri ya. So in this topic you will be introduced to some terms regarding to how to measure objects. So in this topic you will you will be introduced to the word or the term length, long, and then length, tall, and then height, deep, and then depth, and so on. Jadi kita akan melihat beberapa istilah, diantaranya tinggi, ketinggian, dalam, kedalaman, ya, lebar juga, okay. Wide and width, oke. Okay. Kita lanjut, oke. Okay. Major subtopics. Okay, in this topic generally discussed on dimension. Dalam bahasa Indonesia kita sebut sebagai ukurannya dimension. Area. In bahasa Indonesia we call it as luas. Volume ya. And circumference atau keliling. Ya. Dimension, area, volume, circumference. Okay. I think I need to provide the pronunciation also for. Okay. Area. Oke. Gimana?
Pak, mohon maafnya, kalau tidak salah untuk dimension, area, volume, sama circumference hari itu sudah dibahas oleh Ibu Yanti, Pak.
Oh gitu. Circumference. Okay. Then maybe I will. Okay. This one also?
Itu sudah dibahas, Pak.
Okay.
Sudah dibahas, Pak.
Sudah, Pak.
Sudah.
Okay. Maybe I will give some problems and then.
Sudah.
So, this one also?
Sudah, Pak.
Okay.
Sudah, Pak.
So, now I think distance, not how far a place from place to another, how it is. Okay. This one also? Sudah ya?
Sudah, Pak.
Okay, good. Maybe think Set of number. Oke. Yang sekarang dibahas itu apa? Statistik ya?
Iya, Pak. Statistik.
Mean.
Mean, median, modus, Pak. Dengan range.
So what is the term of, as you say, modus in English? You call it as what? Mode. Okay. Mean. We use mean to describe the average of some values. Kita gunakan mean untuk mencari nilai rata-rata, rataan dari beberapa nilai ya. And so on. I think that and so on. What about set? Himpunan.
Untuk himpunan, tidak salah itu cuman diberikan tugas, Pak, tapi untuk pembahasannya belum.
Oh, I see. So you have taken midterm test or not yet? Kalian udah UTS atau belum? Udah UTS atau belum?
Sudah,
Ujian.
Pak. Sudah.
Sudah, Pak.
Sudah, Pak.
You need to learn science and the properties before learning about statistics actually. Okay, let's see some. Now, what do you see? What do you see?
Types of set.
Okay. So, set is, and set and their properties is one is a topic that taught in English for basic mathematics before we move to function and then after function we learn about statistics and so on and so on. Okay. Basic concept of set. Set, as you can see there, the definition of set. A set is any collection of things which have the same characteristics or that we want to consider together. That is the definition. Okay, and the member of the set can be numbers or letters. Jadi anggota himpunan bisa dituliskan dalam huruf ataupun angka ya. Oke, ini beberapa aturan, beberapa konsep dasar ya. Use brackets atau kurung-kurung awal ya in representing sets, or make a list of elements of a set, atau buat pencacahan ya dari himpunan. Okay. Kemudian use capital letters to denote sets. Gunakan huruf besar untuk menyatakan sebuah himpunan ya, melambangkan sebuah himpunan. C is a set of animals. Okay, this example. We will see the example. C is a set which includes chicken, birds, kangaroo, and so on. According to the definition of set C that been given in previous information. So in here, you can see the example. C is a set of animals which has 2 feet. C adalah sebuah himpunan dari hewan-hewan yang memiliki atau berkaki 2 ya. Okay. Maybe this time I will ask you to make a set for animals who has or who have 4 feet.
Dog, Pak.
Dog. What else? I think I know the problem is how to find the name of animal in English. Dog, and then what else? Goat. Okay. GOAT. GOAT. What is it? Kambing, yeah. Okay. Some people, we also know this term, greatest of all time. Ya kan? Kalau kalian lihat-lihat di sosial media itu ya, TikTok dan lain-lain itu, Lionel Messi is GOAT of football player, greatest of all time. And sometimes they made memes such as Lionel Messi, and then his head, they cutting it off, and then they replace with the head of the goat, the real goat. I mean, that is just for example. Goat, and then what else? Giraffe. Kenapa? Lion. Singa.
Cat.
Deer. Sorry?
Cat, Pak. Cat, kucing.
Cat. Okay, kucing. Okay, belum find the rest. Okay. So, easy, I think, example of sets. If they A being the first 5 prime numbers, so we define A as a set with the number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay. Maybe I will ask some of you to read these sentences, and then we can dismiss this class. Okay. Maybe next week is we will continue and then finish this topic, the statistics, I mean, and then we can have the final test for the semester. Okay. Maybe Sienko Mau, please read this. I will point the sentence, and then you only need to read. Okay. This one. Chen Purmau, ya Purmau ya.
Iya, Pak.
Ya, silakan dibaca.
Examples of sets. Let set A be the first 5 prime numbers. Let set B be 5 animals with 4 feet.
Good. Okay, bagus.
Let set C be all fruits.
All fruits.
Let set D be the first 7 odd numbers.
Okay, enough. Veronica Silitubun, continue please.
E be all plain
No, I think.
geometrical figures.
Okay, enough. Thank you. Now I ask Veronica Silitubun, please. Baca. Veronica Silitubun. Baca.
Ya, Pak.
Ya.
Let's set E be all plain geometrical figures. E, F. Let's set F be integer numbers between -5 and 5.
Minus 5 and 5. That is how you read it. Okay. Okay, go on.
Oke, Pak.
Lanjut.
Ulang,
Lanjut.
Pak.
Ya, lanjut.
Diulang,
No,
Pak.
go on, lanjut. Go on itu berarti lanjut. Ya, go on.
Ya, Pak. Let's set G be all solid geometrical figures.
Let's set GB all solid geometrical figures. Bagus. Pronunciation Anda bagus. Oke. I think enough for this evening, and I will continue this class on next Tuesday, right? Selasa, ya, minggu depan ya. Tuesday, and then I will discuss also with Ibu Yanti to determine whether you have, when you will have your final test. Okay, I think enough for today, and see you next Tuesday. Ya, cukup ya. Kita sudahi pertemuan kita, dan sampai ketemu di hari Selasa depan untuk kelas ini. Oke. Selamat malam semuanya. Oke, saya akhiri ya. Oke.
Siapa?